What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam and this is Vancity Audi. In today's video, we're going to be performance testing my B9 S4 in the quarter mile on the streets of Mexico. If you saw my last video, I had it on the dyno and we tuned it, but I have since detuned the car back to a stock ECU and a stock TCU file. So I'm going to get you guys a baseline. We're going to see what the car runs, ET trap speed in the quarter mile while it's stock. Then once we've completed that, on the side of the road, I will be flashing back to Integrated Engineering's Stage 1 91 octane file. Then we'll do it all over again, and we'll see the same day, same ambient temperature, same density altitude, same fuel in the gas tank, and see how much just a tune improves my quarter mile run. Then once we've done that, we're gonna finish it off with the Stage 1 93 octane file and see how much of a difference that makes. Now, if you saw the video when I was on the dyno, you'll know exactly how much more power I made using the 93 over the 91 tune. If you haven't seen that video, I will put the link in the description below. It's pretty badass and it'll be able to give you a direct comparison to how much power I made versus how quick and how fast I'm able to go today. So what I'll do is I'll give you a quick walk around of the car. We have changed a couple things. No hardware modifications to gain more power, but just a couple things that I wanted to go over. I'm extremely transparent in my videos so you guys know what's going on. Forgive me as well for the audio. It's crazy windy outside. That's why I am inside doing this intro, but I'll do the best I can. Under the hood, I've installed a few carbon fiber shiny bits. They don't add any power though, they just look pretty. We got an ethanol content analyzer. I've downgraded the front and rear calipers and rotors to B9 A4 brakes, and I'm using Enkei RPF ones wrapped in Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires. Besides that, the car is stock. So first things first, we gotta get the boring run out of the way. Completely stock hardware. The car is in dynamic. I am in sport mode. Everything's gonna be done automatically. I'm not touching the car. I'm not telling it when to shift. I'm gonna build a bunch of boost and let it fly. Let's see how this car does stock. The gear shifts. Almost bucking. Alrighty. We'll slow down, come to a stop, and see how we did stock. So we have our baseline run, our stock run, and what I'll be doing is I'll share with you the results from my draggy as we go through the video. Then at the end, I'll put them all together so you can see the difference one after another. Quarter mile time was a 12.62. That's not too bad at all for a stock vehicle. I managed 108 miles per hour, so a 12.6 at 108, and then my 0 to 60 was 4.21 seconds. So still, not that bad for a stock vehicle. Now it's time to flash the car with Integrated Engineering's Stage 1 91 octane ECU tune paired with their aggressive launch tune, and we'll see how much better we can do. All right, Stage 1 91 with an aggressive launch. Let's see how much we can improve on that stock time. Holy crap. Way faster off the line. Those gear shifts are just hard. Boom, boom, boom. Surprised. I would think that they'd be a bit smoother. Maybe there's some refinement to still do? Feels way faster than stock though. We'll go over the numbers. Wow. Truly impressive results. The way the car has been transformed from just an ECU and a TCU tune is mental. If you saw the dyno video, you know how much more torque I'm making down low, and you feel all of it off launch. Now, something I noticed though is my tires didn't chirp and they didn't squeal. They didn't spin. So I'm wondering if my car could handle the race launch file at this power level. It probably could. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to mess with the TCU. I will leave it as is at the aggressive launch. All I'm going to do is tune to the 93 octane tune next. So what did we do for the quarter mile? An 11.92 at 113.61. Wow. Very impressive results. 0 to 60, 3.59. Down from 4.21 to 3.59. Unbelievable results from just a tune. This thing's a beast. I can't wait to get crazy with this car and start making real power once we start bolting a bunch of stuff on. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be going stage 1 93 octane now. I'm going to leave the transmission tune and we'll see how we can do with that file. And time for the final run of the day, stage 1, 93, same aggressive launch file. For those of you that watched my dyno video, you know that there wasn't a huge difference in terms of power and torque on the dyno, but we're gonna see if that translates to any quicker and faster in the quarter mile. Let's see how this thing can do on the 93 octane tune. It freaking hits so hard. The torque is ridiculous down low in this car. It's freaking mental. Woohoo! Feels good. Feels super good. Time to pull over and check out those results. I could really get used to this. This is gonna be a fun car. Stage 1, 93 octane with an aggressive launch. I managed an 11.79 at 114.97 miles an hour. An 11.7 with just a tune. No power modifications for hardware have been installed and I already have run an 11.7. Wow. In terms of 0 to 60, I managed basically the same thing as I did the 91 tune. I ran a 3.54. The 91 tune, I ran a 3.59, so extremely close. But finishing off the day with an 11.7 at 114, not too shabby. Wow guys, that was a lot of fun. I always enjoy doing quarter mile performance testing versus dyno runs. I actually get to put that power to use and really see how quick and how fast the car is. It's a lot more enjoyable for me than showing dyno numbers. I know a lot of you guys ask for dyno numbers, but this is where it's at. This is actually proof of how quick and how fast a modification I do to my car actually makes the car, rather than just a dyno number, which can vary from dyno to dyno all over the world. I've said it so many times, I'm not going to bother you with it again in this video. But performance data is performance data. Truly impressive results out of this integrated engineering stage 1 91 as well as their 93 octane tune. Stay tuned to the channel because I will be modifying this car further. I will be slapping parts on, I will be tuning it more aggressively, and we will actually have it at the drag strip very shortly. The titanium strip at Mission Raceway Park is just about to open, and I will be bringing this car every opportunity I get to showcase how quick and how fast it is in the quarter mile. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, take care.